Hi everybody, this is John Enzinas from Ottawa Swordplay. Trying to find things for you to do in the space that you have available. So I have set up a Pell here. As you can see, it's just a bunch of old pieces of 2x4 that have been nailed together. The Pell can be used for a bunch of activities, mostly practicing your techniques, but the important thing to remember is that if you have a solid fixed Pell like this one is, don't hit it full force. All right? So when we're practicing our cutting technique, and we're coming in and say we're doing our thwart strike. So we're coming in, we're using that thumb grip to cut with the short edge of the sword. I'm not trying to cut through the Pell. If I try and take a full force cut like this, what I'm doing is I'm transferring that impact all the way up the sword and into my joints, and you will hurt yourself. And we want you to be able to come back after our quarantine with a body that works the way you want it to, and you're ready to jump right into sword fighting. So when you're practicing your cuts, either look at practicing stopping short so you know what your control is, or just tapping the Pell. All right? That's great for basic cutting actions, so you can practice all your cuts like that. You can practice your overhowl. You can practice your thwart strike. You can practice your Scheitelhau if you want to. All of our cuts are perfectly adaptable to being used against a Pell. You can also practice your thrusts. So if you are looking at coming in with the slicing actions, coming through and stepping through, actually change a little bit to the side so you're not staring at my back. Coming through, checking your distance. That one's a little bit close. I can go through, I can look at my distance this way. All right? And we don't have to practice with a sword. Not everybody brought theirs home. You notice that I don't have my swords from the sword hall. Maybe you're lucky you have a spear. Spears are great for practicing thrusting. All right? We can practice our armored combat types of attacks where we're coming in, we're stepping in, practicing thrusting. This one has a rubber tip, which means that I can actually try hitting a little bit harder and not worrying so much about hurting myself. Or maybe you don't have any weapon-like objects, you've got a stick, which we can still use to practice our actions. We just need to look at some sort of reference point to know where our hands are relative to what a blade would be. Now, my dog would really like to come up and play with this stick, but I'm not letting him. So again, when we're coming in with our actions, come in and just touch the Pell. We don't have to go fast because what we're doing is we're practicing our technique. So we come forward, shoot the point long, follow through with that thrust, come through the speaking window, to our Schwerhau. All of the actions that we normally do, we can practice with anything that we can hold with our hands. All right, if you guys have any questions on other things that might be fun to try or suggestions that you'd like to share with anyone else, please feel free to post them here. I look forward to seeing you when all this is over. Thank you.